Hello friends, let's create a black and white to color swipe transition. It's actually the same thing as we had in the last video, but this is kind of a social experiment, and if you guess what it is, then just type bro in the comment section. So, okay, let's get started. We have our clip or image. In the middle of it, we hit Control B to split it. Then we go to the left side and then to the color page. And in the color page, we desaturate it. And now we go to effects, video transitions, and then I'm going to take the push. Yeah, I go with the push again. It's just because I like that. So I will drag it a little broader here. Then I go to the properties of the push, and here I'm going to choose edge wipe. Then I will change the angle, make it a little bit, and there you have it. Of course, we can also go in the different direction. I like the different direction, and then everything goes this way. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day ahead and goodbye.